Hi, I am Doyle Rojas. This is when and where to enter the surf. To start out, we will be in waist to chest high water, which is referred to as whitewater practice area. This practice area will generally occur between low and mid tide, providing an ideal environment to practice with minimal resistance from the wave coming in front of the outside lineup. When entering the surf, we want to look for an area with space. In general, it's good to keep at least 15 to 20 feet between you and all other surfers. Always avoid being in front or behind other surfers. Whitewater waves come in forms of parallel lines towards the beach. Sometimes these lines can vary slightly in angle. The path of least resistance will always be maintaining the nose of the board at a 90 degrees angle to these lines.